is the bailiwick of his chief rival in the last presidential polls, one of the few provinces that did not vote for him in his landslide victory in 2022. And yet, like his Bagong Pilipinas mantra goes, no one is left behind in his government. Our Kenneth Pasyente on over 3,000 land titles, PAFFF cash assistance, and farm machinery and equipment the president handed out today to farmer, fisherfolk, and other beneficiaries in Camarines Sur.
Edgar has been farming the land he dreams of owning for 15 years and admits that non-ownership affects his income.
Mahirap magsaka ng hindi sariling lupa. Kasi kung hindi mo alam kung hanggang kailan ka sasaka, kung kailan ka kikita ng medyo panatag ang kalooban na may permanenteng pagsasakahan.
But that complaint of Edgar has been positively addressed today because after more than 2 years of waiting, the land he has been working on is finally his.
Napakasaya at sa tagal ng panahon kahintay, natupad na rin yung pangarap na magkaroon ng sariling titulo ng lupa na pagsasakahan.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself presented the titles to Edgar and other agrarian reform beneficiaries who have been farming the land they don't own for a long time. Over 1,965 ARBs received their titles, which is equivalent to 3,328 hectares of land. According to the president, this is just a part of government's programs to improve the lives of farmers.
Nais ko ring iparamdam ang aking buong pusong pagkikilala sa inyo na kumakayod araw-araw. Ngunit kinakapos pa rin upang matustusan ang inyong pangangailangan. Kaya asahan ninyo, lagi kaming may baong magandang balita at pasalubong mula sa pagtatapos ng infrastruktura na aming ipinatayo hanggang sa mga programang aming pasisinayaan upang maging mas masagana ang pamumuhay dito sa Region 5.
The government has already distributed 30,000 land titles to the ARBs, and the president assured to give away more before the end of the year.
Meron pa pong 36,000 CLOA at e-title na ipapamigay natin sa lagpas na 30,000 agrarian reform beneficiary bago matapos ang taon na ito. Magsisilbing tulay ang Certificate of Land Ownership Award at ang mga e-title na ito tungo sa mas marami pang oportunidad. Nang sa gayon ay magiging matagumpay ang mga na kinaharap ninyo sa pagsubok sa buhay at matupad ang inyong mga pangarap.
The beneficiaries in the provincial government are profusely thankful for the government's help.
Maraming salamat. At least nakuha kami na pinapangarap na matagal na panahon.
We are deeply grateful for the support of our beloved President, Bongbong Marcos Jr., whose efforts have paved way for this momentous occasion that will undoubtedly empower our farmers, elevate the agricultural sector, as well as drive economic growth and prosperity.
In addition to the distribution of land titles, the president also led the distribution of presidential assistance for fishermen, farmers, and their families affected by the El Niño phenomenon, and distribution of farm machinery and equipment worth millions to farmer groups.
Ang kasama po sa batas ng agrarian reform ay meron ding suporta lahat sa pamamagitan ng mga makinarya, sa pamamagitan ng mga ayuda, sa pamamagitan ng technical support na dadalhin ng agrarian reform para talagang mas maganda ang ani na makikita ng ating mga magsasaka at mas maganda ang huli ng ating mga ngisda. Magkakaloob din kami na mahigit 600 farm machinery at equipment na nakakahalagang 20 milyong piso upang tuluyang umusbong ang inyong mga sakahan.
The president also encouraged the beneficiaries to develop the land they received and assured them of government's continued support. Kenneth Pasyente from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.